It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Maybe not today, but someday I'll find the light. It'll be alright. Just give it some time. I don't need all the answers to sleep tonight. Every storm feels like forever. Every road gets hard to travel, but I made it through before, and I can do it once more. The future doesn't have to wait for me to have a perfect day. I can take it as it comes, one heartbeat at a time. Maybe I should slow it down.